At Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur, the Legal Aid Center is the central to our education. The Legal Aid Center focuses on three key areas: legal aid, community outreach, and legal literacy. This ensures that we engage with society, from offering legal help and educating the communities about their rights to supporting the vulnerables.
Symbiosis Law School Nagpur comprises of a well-equipped moot court hall, and we foster and encourage a deep sense of mooting culture amongst the students. We have a student-run body in the name of Moot Court Association, which is responsible for the conduction of various internal as well as external mooting activities.
Symbiosis Law School provides a holistic environment for academic excellence and personal growth. Hostel life here cultivates independence and a supportive family-like atmosphere, fostering connections and diverse sports facilities consisting of outdoor sports and indoor games, naming a few like basketball, volleyball, and futsal, along with chess, table tennis, and snooker, providing mental agility and skill development. While encouraging physical activity, students experience personal growth and form lasting friendship.